Your alarm goes off. You hit snooze. Then again. You grab your phone, and 40 minutes disappear into a blur of notifications. You're rushing out the door. This chaotic first hour creates a ripple effect, influencing your hunger and energy levels for the next 16 hours. Most people struggling with a skinny fat physique focus on what they eat for lunch or dinner, but your body's metabolic tone is often decided before you even get out of bed. Today, we're building a 5-step morning system designed specifically to help the skinny fat body burn fat and preserve muscle. This routine prioritizes addition, stacking simple actions that create momentum without requiring extreme discipline or 4 a.m. wake-up calls. To start, you'll need a few things ready the night before. Keep your phone in another room and use a dedicated alarm clock. Set out a glass of water, your walking shoes, and a simple protein source like eggs or Greek yogurt. Fixing the first hour of your day is the foundational step. Once this system is in place, your body becomes far more responsive to the workouts and dietary choices that follow. Step 1 starts the moment you wake up. Sit up, take a breath, and let your brain wake up naturally without looking at a smartphone. Your attention works like a battery. When you wake up, this battery is fully charged. Handing control to the internet immediately drains this resource. Emails and social media leave you overstimulated, spending your mental energy before the day begins. Step 2 is to drink a large glass of plain water. This is the most effective way to restore your system after a night of sleep. After 7 or 8 hours without fluids, your body is naturally dehydrated. This lack of water is a primary reason many people feel sluggish in the morning. Reaching for coffee before water is like driving a car with an empty gas tank. Water restores fluid balance and gets your internal systems moving. These first 5 minutes protect your dopamine and rehydrate your cells. This provides the internal resources you need to manage the rest of your morning routine. Step 3 is getting light into your eyes. Step outside, walk to the mailbox, or stand on a balcony as soon as possible. Morning sunlight hits your eyes and triggers your internal circadian clock. This signals your body to adjust its hormones, raising your alertness and energy for the day. Once you have that light exposure, move on to step 4. Move before you sit. A short walk or a few bodyweight squats will wake up your system before you sit down to commute or work. These simple movements signal to your body that it's time to be active. You are creating physical momentum without requiring a massive caloric burn or physical exhaustion. For a skinny fat physique, low-intensity activity like walking provides a distinct advantage over intense exercise. This graph illustrates the problem with high-intensity cardio. It creates a volatile spike in hunger and recovery demand, leading to overeating. But walking is sustainable. Over months, this consistent movement aggregates into significant results, while the intense routine is abandoned. Resetting your biological clock with light and creating gentle momentum builds a fat-burning environment without triggering a metabolic stress response. Step 5 addresses your first meal. Build your breakfast around a high-quality protein source, like whole eggs or cottage cheese, or a protein shake. Typical breakfast foods, like cereal or pastries, are essentially dessert. They cause a rapid energy spike followed by an inevitable crash, leaving you hungry shortly after. To improve your body composition, you must provide the raw materials for muscle retention. Eating protein early ensures your body has the building blocks it needs to maintain muscle as you lose fat. This shift toward addition is more sustainable than restriction. By focusing on adding water, sunlight, and protein, you naturally replace bad habits with actions that support your goals. These 5 steps function like a row of dominoes. Completing the first action naturally leads into the next, creating a cascade of healthy decisions that last the entire day. If you repeat this simple morning routine consistently for the next 90 days, your body will begin to respond. During this period, the scale might not move quickly. This is normal during body recomposition, where you lose fat and gain muscle simultaneously. A large pillow and a dense brick can weigh the same while looking completely different. Muscle is denser than fat. As body composition improves, your physical shape changes even if weight stays the same. Look for a shrinking waistline and better fitting clothes. A transformed physique is built by hundreds of small decisions. Tonight, put your phone across the room and set out a glass of water. Tomorrow morning is your first opportunity to start this new momentum.